Hi-oh, hi-oh, hi-oh. I needed to record an English speaking tutorial, but I don't speak English. Edgar thinking. I already know. I will make a tutorial voice ad. Come on, bitches. Come on. Step number 1. A good light is essential for a good photo. But today we won't have it. But it's okay, it's okay. I'm back, bitches. Now I will fight a model very tasty. Come on. It is worth nothing that if we do not find someone handsome, let's do a magic in the face until you get a miracle. The body will be just another body. Walking, walking. Oh my god, a model! Let's get closer. Quick, quick, quick. Let's go. Do you want to be my model?
Yes.
Let's go, boy. Where are we going? Over there is perfect. Go, bitches. Walking, 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 walking. Oh my god, it's a car. I didn't die. Not today, bitch. Let's walk in, bitches. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, where we will take the picture? Oh my god, a tree! Let's go! Stay there, Negro. Perfect! The first thing is, take your smartphone, open your camera. Okay, bend down to capture the body of the entire model. Preferably who is filmed too. This is what you do. This is what my food. Oh fuck, here we go again. I'll give you some more tips. Avoid taking photos from the bottom up. Avoiding Google effects. Keep away for full body photos. Prefer pictures in the shadow, far from the sun. Avoiding closed eyes. Okay, thanks for watching the video and kisses.
Oh, it's a good video. Do you want to be my model?
Yeah!
Let's go there. Come on, bitch. Sit there, white person.
Okay.
Perfect. This is what you do. This is what you do. Oh yeah, perfect.
Everybody